Hi everyone, this is a guide to how to use our new blog site for Reading Creative Writing. So to get into this page where you're able to edit and add posts and things, if you click on apps up in the top right hand corner, so you do need to be logged into your Google account, that's your Reading College Google account, in order for you to access this blogger site. So if you click on apps just over in the right hand corner and then click more, you can then click on Blogger. Okay, this will take you to the Blogger site. So you can actually create your own blog here, and you should have an invite or a request from me that you can accept to join the Reading Creative Writing. Okay, so I'm going to open that up. You're hit by an overview page. And because I've gone in today and added all the posts, we've actually got quite a lot of page views. I don't think all of those are mine, so that's quite exciting. The reason I chose Blogger is because it's associated with Google. We'll get a lot more hits that way. It also is far easier to share via Google Plus with the Reading College community, so we can let them know what we're doing, and it's much easier to add you guys as contributors. Okay, so the main page that you're going to have to use is posts. So if you click on that over on the left hand side, you'll get all the posts that I've added to date. Now some of these have images already attached. What I'd like you to do is ensure that if you have posted anything and they don't already have an image attached, I'd like you to add one. Okay, so if we go into this one, which I don't think has an image on it, basically you'll just be clicking into any of your work to see if they have an image. Okay, so you can see at the top there that it's got no image attached. Now what I've tried to do is just add it in at the top. So if you click on image, you can then choose a file from your desktop or your folders or anywhere and just attach it straight away, and then just click the right hand side update button. Okay, now to find images, what I'm recommending is that you use Flickr. Okay, so if you search for a term that you're looking for, so for instance we just want a generic image for a love poem, if you click on advanced search, no, you don't have to do that, the other parts just appear there. So if you click under any license and change it to Creative Commons only, you'll get images which you can use freely. The only thing that you have to do, so for instance I'm just going to go for this one here, I don't really want it simple. You can see the author of this image, so the person that's posted the image. So what you need to do is just scroll down here to these little three dots, click on download all sizes, and I'd like you to select medium and download. Okay, once you've done that you can save the image wherever in order for you to upload it to your post. Now at the bottom of your post I would like you to state image from, and then whoever the person is that you've got it from, and then hyphen Flickr. Okay, so image from whoever the author is, hyphen Flickr. Okay, so that's going to go at the bottom of your post when you have an image. So in order to create a brand new post, so this isn't that we're just adding images to the posts that are already there, I'd like you to click on new post. Give your post a title, so that'll just be the poem title. I'd like you to put by and then your name at the top. I'd like you to italicize that and center align it. Your poem should, or piece of writing or essay, should then be left aligned, and then you can just start typing. Okay. Once it's all in there, you could actually copy and paste from a Word document if you've already got the writing elsewhere. Once that's done, you can just click on publish, and you may well get this to type in. Okay. Once you've published, you then have the option to share via Google Plus, which would be recommended as long as you're not posting a lot in a row, because I think if you post too many in a row, then less people are likely to look at it. So once you've published, it should appear on this main list here. And if you realise that you need to go and edit something, then you can go back in and make any changes. So make sure you now add an image, put in your author details at the top, and if you have used an image, please at the bottom of your post state who that image came from on Flickr. But make sure when you're searching on Flickr that you've got that Creative Commons box identified there, because the default will be any license. However, this will come up with images that you shouldn't be using because they're not free to use. Whereas Creative Commons license means that you can use them as long as you reference the person that you've got them from. Okay, that should be everything for posting. If you've got any questions, just comment on the Google Plus or perhaps email me and let me know. Okay, people are already looking at our site, I can see, since I posted it, which is very exciting indeed. One of them has had 4 views already. Alright, good luck with that.